Welcome to another episode of Advanced Excel for Visually Impaired by Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this episode, we will be discussing about how to apply if and formula and use multiple condition in your Excel sheet. I have already created an Excel sheet with some students' name, subjects' name and their marks. I have also calculated the percentage of their marks. Now I want to calculate the grades. So let me go to the blank cell.
Status G1.
Status
H1.
H1. This is the blank cell. So here as a column header I am typing grade.
RADE.
I am pressing enter to move my focus to the next row.
H2 Prattle G.
Now I want to tell the Excel that the student who earned 80 or above marks got excellent. Who earned 60 and above marks got good. The students who earned 40 and above marks called average, and the students who earned below 40 marks got disqualify. So I want to see this output. How to do this? For this I need to choose the cell where I have entered the percentage. So let me press the left arrow.
Pass as formula 82 as formula percentage F1.
Yes, this is the percentage column. I'm pressing down arrow.
82 as formula F2 Prattle G.
82, this is the percentage. So I have to mention the Excel sheet that when I will apply the if and formula, the Excel sheet will work on that cell. The cell number is F2. So I will work on F2. Now I'm pressing right arrow 2 times.
Pass as H2 grade.
Grade. So now here I need to type the formula. I'm pressing F2 here first.
Edit blank.
Then I'm pressing home key.
Blank.
Now I'm typing the formula. Please listen carefully. Equal sign.
Equals.
If IF.
IF.
Parenthesis open. I'm in left parent.
Right parent. Right left parent.
Then I'm typing AND. AND.
AND.
Then I am opening again a left parent.
Left parent.
Then I'm typing F2.
F return to.
Greater equal sign.
Greater. Equals.
80.
Num lock off. Num 8 0.
Then I'm closing the parenthesis.
Right parent.
Press comma.
Comma.
Then within quotation, whatever grade I want to type, I have to mention here. So within quotation, I am typing
quote.
Excellent.
EXCELLENT. Quote.
I am pressing comma again.
Comma.
Again, I need to type if.
IF.
Then parenthesis open.
Left parent.
And
AND.
parenthesis open.
Left parent.
The second condition I need to put here. The second condition is
F return
F2. I mean if F2 greater
Greater.
than or equals
Equals.
to, or I mean greater equals 60.
6 0.
Then I'm closing the parenthesis.
Right parent.
Comma.
Comma.
Within quotation,
Quote.
I am typing good.
GOOD.
I am closing the quotation.
Quote.
After that, I am pressing comma.
Comma.
Then again if.
IF.
The third condition I want to apply here. Parenthesis open.
Left parent.
And
AND.
again open.
Left parent.
Then F2
F return to.
greater equals to.
Greater. Equals.
The value in F2 is greater or equals to
4
40.
0.
Then I'm closing the right parenthesis.
Right parent.
Then press comma.
Comma.
Then within quotation I am typing
Quote.
average,
AVERAGE, quote,
then comma,
comma,
because I don't have any condition more. That's why just within quotation I am typing
quote,
disqualify.
DISQUALTIED, quote,
Then I am pressing right parenthesis 3 times because I have opened left parenthesis 3 times. If you have 3 conditions, then you have to use 3 times and you have to open the left parenthesis 3 times. You need to close all the parentheses which you have opened. Now I am closing the 3 left parentheses.
right parent, right parent, right parent,
If I press enter, let's see.
H3 Raj of Biswas, excellent as formula H2 Pranal
Wow! Excellent! Now I am just drag and drop the formula.
Eight.
Let's see.
Grade H1, excellent as formula
Excellent.
H2, good as formula H3
Good.
Raj of, excellent as formula
Excellent.
H4, good as formula
Good.
H5 Riyadas, excellent as formula
Excellent.
H6 Anish Chow, average as formula H7 Raj of
Average.
Talbot, good as formula H8 Anita Kumari,
Good.
good as formula H9 Eldo K Abraham.
So, this is the way you can easily use if and condition in your MS Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.